What is Lovo AI? Lovo AI is an artificial intelligence powered voice generator and text to speech platform. Here's a breakdown of its key aspects. Core functionality: AI voice generation. Lovo AI specializes in creating realistic and human sounding AI voices. It offers a wide library of voices spanning numerous languages and accents. Text to speech or TTS. The platform converts written text into spoken audio, enabling users to generate voiceovers for various applications. Voice customization. Users can often customize voice parameters such as pitch, speed, and emphasis to fine tune the audio output. Multilingual support. Lovo AI supports a broad range of languages, making it useful for creating content for global audiences. Key features and uses: content creation. It is used for creating voiceovers for videos, podcasts, audiobooks, and other form of content. E-learning. It is valuable for generating narration for online courses and training materials. Marketing and advertising. It is used to create voiceovers for commercials and promotional videos. Accessibility. It can help make written content more accessible to individuals with reading difficulties. Voice cloning. Some of the features include the ability to clone voices. Video editing. Lovo AI also provides online video editing tools. AI writing. Lovo AI also provides AI writing tools. In essence, Lovo AI is a tool designed to streamline the process of generating high quality voiceovers, offering a diverse selection of AI voices and customization options.